Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Bluetooth with new features in iOS 18. So I just tap on my iPhone settings and make sure your device has been updated. I will just tap on my general settings and check my software, and I will just updated recently my iOS version of 18.1.1. So this is the latest version of 2024. So make sure your device has been updated, and after updating you will see the amazing features of Bluetooth and how it's possible. You can just swipe down, and here is you will see the settings. So if you want to this Bluetooth icon in the control panel, so you will just hold it the screen. Sorry, again I will just hold it the screen and I will just tap on this add a control. So I just tap on it, add a control. From here in the controls you will just find the Bluetooth icon. So here I will just tap on it and it will be added. So I will just a single tap on the screen, it will be added. So here is the amazing feature on iOS 18 of Bluetooth. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.